get from Daddy Roy?
A man is just a man. Cry, yeah, father.
You see when Daddy Roy do the combination. You see me I deal with? And to all Daddy Roy introduce the music.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is your very first time to the channel and you've not yet hit that subscribe button, consider hitting the subscribe button now and the notification bell, so once we upload a video you will get that alert. So viewers, you know in reggae music there are a few names that years and years to come from now their names will still be remembered, and one such name is the great legendary Daddy Roy. Daddy Roy had to shed a few tears recently at his crowning. And not only was he crowned, but he was crowned by a legend himself, the great Shabba Ranks. Let's take a look at the crowning of the boss, Daddy Roy.
I just got to say, I've been in this world for 58 years, you know. I just celebrated my 78th birthday 2 months ago. Whoa, so I didn't even believe and know that there is so much respect out there for me. So I give thanks for all of your people who pick me up every time. Yeah, enough love. It's a blessing from the Most High Jah. King Selassie, holy to love.
Daddy Roy. Daddy Roy.
Yeah.
I want you to come here.
Sure.
And I want you to look over there. And you have to promise me that you won't turn around until we tell you to turn around.
No problem.
So just look there.
Yeah.
Don't cheat now.
Yeah, man. I'm going to turn around to
right there.
Okay, sir.
What a nice
all right.
view.
Right there.
Yeah.
Right.
Don't move.
Right here.
Not going to move.
Oh, yeah.
Not even a muscle. I wouldn't move. Yeah. Yeah.
Respect, Daddy.
Because I never know that when you say, wow, flashing my, we flashing my baby. We the trying to tell the people. Wow, chicken I never know that I could be honored for these things, but I say it again, I have said it before, it's a blessing of the Most High Jah. King Selassie. Yeah, enough love. Yeah, man. People, I have to thank you, and I have to respect you, but I see where you respect me to the max. So I return my respect to each and every one of you to the max. God bless.
Hey,
yeah.
Don't look it up. Don't look it up.
No, no.
I'm not frightened the man.
It's the official crowning of one of the greatest DJs in our culture, Daddy Roy.
Thank you, sir.
And I was thinking, and I was saying to myself, who would be the first person to do the honors of crowning Daddy Roy at his official crowning tonight? And then I thought, and it came to me.
Yeah.
I'm not even going to say his name. I am just going to say, welcome on stage. Shh.
I'm not invisible, no, Mr. Chain, don't you?
Daddy Roy, let me hold this.
Yeah, man. Everything cool.
Blessed love.
Let me hold this. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Looking at this, sir. Respect, Mr. Chain. Chain looking at Mr. Chain. All right? Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So can I look around all as you put on this crown? All our mirrors! Yeah! To the godfather of the music, to the father who set it. We're foundational. Big up Shabba Ranks. We're aspirational. We're inspirational. One and only the greatest DJ of all times. Daddy Roy, you hear the father? Paper. God's great. God's greatest creation towards our music. We will never, ever, ever, ever see or have another man for represent the music like Daddy Roy. You see this Shabba here? I am from Kingston level. And Daddy Roy, let me tell you what we get from Daddy Roy.
A man is just a man. Cry, father.
You see when Daddy Roy do the combination. You see what I deal with? And to all Daddy Roy introduce the music. Do you hear what the man say, baby? Yeah. With him and John out, it is Shabba say, whenever you're doing a combination with another artist, you must always introduce the record.
That's what I be telling my artists all the time.
Me get that from Daddy Roy, I'm going to lay it out straight.
That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you.
Bless them.
And all I can say to God is to give you more life.
Respect, Shabba.
So you go up in the upper 90s or early 100. Long life, Father, I love you. I love you more than how I love music. I salute you. With the life and the breath that I have, so God bless you to build the foundation and let music be foundational in an I&I criteria. Daddy Roy is the Picasso of our music. And when he was creating that portrait, Shabba is a pit in the picture. Thank you, Daddy Roy. I love you.
Big up Shabba. Big up Shabba. And I have to big up Irish and Chain Promotion for this moment, okay? Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Salute.
Cry, father, cry.
Salute.
A man is just a man. Salute.
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 Salute. Salute.
Salute.
Salute.
Salute.
Salute.
Well, there you have it, viewers. Wanna say Daddy Uri crowning was a great one, right? I wanna like how the man just humble. You understand? And that's a lot of years Daddy Uri do this thing, you know. And as I hear Shabba Ranks say, yo, we want to see Daddy Uri live many more years in the business. Talk to me down in the comment section. Let us know what is your favorite Daddy Uri song. Alright, as a matter of fact, let us know one of his greatest hits if you're a true reggae music fan. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you, cause I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.